Good morning, everybody. It's November 21st, 2022. My name's pianomattyb, that is Scaramucci's, and this is your morning tea. A brief glimpse into the crypto market where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has dropped to 21 from yesterday's 24. Bitcoin dominance is 38.8%. 24-hour volume 63 billion. The overall market cap is 796 billion. That's pretty low. Give or take 100 million. Well, is she starting to feel like a bear market? I'd say so. When you hear things like this is the end, and Bitcoin is going to zero, and even the Twinkle Toes Twins exchange is having a little bit of trouble. Yeah, she's starting to feel like what a real bear market feels like. And just think this is only stage 1. Stage 2 is the long, monotonous, boring crab walk to nowhere for the next year. But this is where your life changes. DCAing in and hodling will take you to that place where in a couple years everybody you know will say, "You're lucky you got in so early. Must be nice to have a timing horseshoe up your Adirondacks." And you'll laugh, thinking back to these days when the sky was falling and the FTX sex cult MK Ultra nerds almost collapsed the entire industry. And the price just kept dropping and everyone was telling you how dumb you must feel to be in such a volatile wild west of a financial environment. And how's your Bitcoin doing, they'll ask with a smirk. This is where the market sociopaths are minted, my friend. Now over on the 4-hour chart, you can see we tried to break out and up from our symmetrical triangle, almost hitting resistance before you turning down and breaking out, finding a bottom and a bounce. At 15.9, a slightly higher low, slightly, and kicking at the dirt too at time of production, 16K, which is our new psychological level of support. Now, if you were to only drink apple cider vinegar for a week, taking daily ice baths, you'd notice a small growth come. Is that a dad alert? Yes, it is. Bear flag again. Almost not worthy of mentioning, but if it does play out, the price probability is, and sing it with me now. You take the pull, you slide it all, a breakout point, and then we're all at 15.3, which would actually be a new all-time low, so it might not be something, but she's what? That's right. She sure ain't nothing. Now over on the ding-dong, although there still is the mother of all bear flags. Still in play, I wanted to draw in this descending triangle, as it is a bearish pattern that usually breaks down. So we'll keep our papers on that 15.8 level. That's the breakout point. Quick look at the Wookiee sees we close red again, and we're carving out a pretty decent bear flag, which is a Tri-Delta Gamma bear flag on all 3 timelines. So let's recap, shall we? The 4-hour chart has a cute little bear flag with a price probability 15.3, which would carve us out new all-time low for this cycle. And the ding-dong is also dealing with its own mother of all bear flags with a bearish descending triangle kicker whose breakout point is 15.8, and the Wookiee is also staring down the barrel of a bear flag, giving us a Tri-Delta Gamma bear flag on all 3 timelines. Of course, with all these bearish metrics, my annoying contrarian nature starts to kick in and whisper sweet bullish nothings in my ear. When everyone is preaching the bearish gospel, it's usually when the opposite happens. Right about the same time my contrarian nature is basking in the bullish glory, the pragmatic rational dad in me says, hey, data is data. You shouldn't disregard the charts just because you feel and want it to do something else. So with multiple voices and personalities, singing a cappella barbershop harmonies of market rationalizations in my head, I switch off my charts and grab my fourth cup of black coffee, stare out the kitchen window in silence. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected leader. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. I'll run the banks of boom to spank, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa, ching. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video.